Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu name Super Sudoku puzzle on November 17, 2022, one star Sudoku. Column G, 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come, these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are running, 6 and 9. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, column J, we go 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, column C, we have 7. Second row, third row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column D, column B, column D, we have 5. 9th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. First grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 8th row, 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 9. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 9. Column F, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 8 and 9. 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. 4th row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in this below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.